Hey there, welcome to my lesson 2 of HTML. So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at these in particular tags: head and title, body and colour, P for paragraph, and image tags. Using these will just make our web page look a little bit better. Not brilliant, but we're going to get started on that, and then hopefully in the next few lessons we're going to look at something called CSS. But for now, we're going to look at these tags here. So as we know, each web page starts with the doc type HTML. Everything you want to appear in a web page has to be in between the HTML tags. If it's not in between the HTML tags, it will not work. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to type in my name for my website. So Mr. Burgess. Now, if I go to File and Save, I'm going to save the text editor. So that's the web page, or that's the page rather, on the left hand side, which is here, the notepad document. If I now want to save into the internet file that I've made, I need to click File, Save As, and then I need to save it as index.html, hypertext markup language, and that's a language of the internet, which is over here. If I now press save, it'll say, would you like to save over the existing file? Say yes. Like so. If I now refresh the page, you should notice the title up here of the page will change. There we go. Like so. As you can see, I've got 3 paragraphs. My name is Mr. Burgess. Today I'll be teaching web design, and here is a picture of myself. And I've used the paragraph tag there, P. If I didn't use the paragraph tag, it would just place all of this text into one line. So what it's done is to split up all 3 of the lines. Now, what I'm going to show you today is something quite cool. It's how to change the background colour of a web page. So I've inserted the tag body, bgcolor. And as you can notice here, colour is not spelled the way that us people in Great Britain or England would spell it. It is actually spelled C-O-L-O-R, which is the American spelling. So be very careful when you're trying to change the colour of a web page. Make sure it's spelt in this particular way. Now, what we're going to do is go to a website and find a colour picker. You can find it on W3 Schools. So if you go to W3 Schools, let's just flick through. So go to Google and go to W3 Schools, like so. It'll take you to the web page. Go to the web page, and then go to where it says Learn HTML. Once you've done that, if you scroll down the page to where it says Colour Picker, which is here, but the page when it loads up will be a little bit different. It'll look just like that. Scroll down to the Colour Picker, which is here, and click it. It will then take you to a page where you can select which colour you would like to use, looking at something called a hexadecimal code, which is here. This is just the language of how to tell the internet page how you would like something to be displayed. So, for example, for my web page, I'm going to use a light blue colour, like so. And I'm going to use the code 66FFFF with the hash key in front of it. So, hash 66FFFF, like so. If I now go back to my page, like that, and I now click File Save to save the text editor, I now go to File Save As and save the document as a .html file, like so. I save over that and I refresh the page. Hopefully my web page should now be a blue colour, like so. Now, finally what I'm going to show you is how to insert an image. We use the tag image src, like so. And we use equals and a speech mark, and we need to press shift and the number 2 on your keyboard, which will give you the speech mark. What we need to do now is you can either insert a picture from your own area, so you may have saved one and put it into your document, or alternatively you can save it from a website. I've got a picture on the internet, so I'm going to use that one. I'm going to go find my picture of myself, so go to Google, type in your name or type in a picture of whatever you need to get, and what you'll notice is you will get a web page or a number of web pages that will appear, like so. I will find myself, click on it, try that again. There we go. If you click view image, it'll take you just to this link here, not that really long link which was on the other page. So copy, go to my notepad, and I right click and I will paste the link in. I will now close the tag by getting a speech mark, space, / and close the tag. If I now click file and save to save the text editor, and click file and save as index.html, and click save, and yes, we want to overwrite the file, so yes. If I now refresh the page, I should hopefully have a picture of myself. There we go. There's an image of me, 3 paragraphs, and a blue background. Thank you for watching.